And here we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's just take it out. So like I mentioned before, no matter what color or storage size you guys pick, it's actually the same thing. You guys are going to get the exact same things inside the box. So it doesn't matter if I show you a 64 gig or anything bigger than that, it's the same thing inside the box. So let's just take that out of the box, and here we go. So I'm going to move these phones off to the side. Here we have an iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. This is the Max that we're doing right now. So I'm just going to move these guys to the side just so you guys can focus in on this phone right here. So inside the box, what we should get is the exact same stuff from an 11 Pro, although this is the Max. So let's take a look at it. So like I always mention, inside of here, you should always look for this, because that's for your SIM card, and that's the main thing. The manuals and all that, that's okay-ish. You guys can just watch the video right here where I'm gonna do the manual, the setup video, plus a review later on. That's where you guys see this in action. Other than that, this is just an unboxing, so we're just gonna see exactly what's in the box. So right here, we got our charger, USB-C, by the way. There we go. Same thing as an iPhone 11 Pro. The Max is the same thing. Same deal with the headphones. That's the type of connection. Since again, none of these phones will have the regular audio input as other phones. And this cable that you guys get is the USB-C. So like I mentioned before, if you guys have a regular MacBook, older MacBook I should say, or any computer that doesn't have USB-C, this will get into troubles because you won't be able to plug this into your computer right away. You will need one of those adapters. Now with an iPhone 11 Pro, we had the same situation. So 11 Pro had the same things right here. Okay, and only the iPhone 11, that guy had the regular USB, which is right here. That's the regular USB that most of you have. The USB-C is different. A lot of new computers are coming up with it, but not all. Not everybody's catching up to that. So that can be a buggy thing, but just get an adapter. You guys should be fine. You won't need an adapter obviously for this because this is meant for USB-C. And this is quite heavier than your regular wall chargers from back in the day. Even with the iPhone 11, it's a different charger than an iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max in this case. So right now you guys can see exactly what you guys get in the box from an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So at this point I'm just going to focus in on the iPhone itself. Let's take a look. Cameras, pretty much the same thing as the iPhone 11, the 11 Max right now. We see this, yeah, same things. It's bigger. Right now on the sides, we're going to notice, same deal. We see our SIM card tray. There's no SD card for iPhones, by the way, again. And here is our power button. Power button used to be on the top with older phones. On the other side, we're gonna see our volume. Right here, we got this in order to mute, unmute. There we go. So you guys want your phone to vibrate. There we go. Turn that off. And here below, we're gonna see this right here, which is to charge your phone. That's pretty much it. Oh, also you will plug in your headset right there. Okay, if you guys want to listen to music or talk or anything, that is a headset. And that, it's pretty simple, sleek design. I'm digging the color itself. I do like it. Looks pretty nice, pretty sleek. A lot of people ask me about the gold. Since iPhones used to come in rose gold and gold, this is gold. This, to me, even in the camera, sometimes the color changes and does shift, but this, I can tell you it's gold. Unlike iPads, where if you guys buy gold, the iPad is more of that rose gold, a deep rose actually. In iPhones, it's different. It's just this. What you guys see in the camera is actually the true color. So that's a good thing. So I'm not a fan of this finish just because it looks like it's gonna get scratched right away. But hey, we all put cases, so it won't, right? The back looks pretty good. It doesn't feel right away that much heavier than the other phones. Design-wise, Apple always does really simple, sleek designs. So there's not much to show in an unboxing video. However, in the setup plus review and the manual I'm gonna do, you guys will see this guy in action in everything that he can do. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the unboxing. If you guys want to see the unboxing for all three, I do have that video. Or if you guys want to see just unboxing for this, obviously I have that video as well here and all put together so you guys can see everything that comes in the box in all these three. So once again, this is the 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. So you guys can see them side by side. Now I'm gonna put them side by side but not on top of the boxes so you guys can see the size difference between them. So if you look at the size, this one's the 11 Pro, 11, and then 11 Pro Max. The 11 is right in between the two. That's interesting. So it's actually bigger than 11 Pro, but slightly smaller than 11 Pro Max. Now if we put them one beside the other, notice the cameras, same, different, okay? iPhone 11 only has 2 versus these guys that have 3. And again, just showing you how they look like and the color. That's what matters really and why most people look at unboxings besides looking exactly what you're gonna get in the box. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.